How do you grow your business? How do you take it to the next level? Nachi.org/multi. We talked about getting started. We talked about making more money. What if you're an established inspector who wants to grow, hire, expand, and sell your company eventually? And Nachi can help you with that too. Go to nachi.org/multi. We have more than 100 steps to growing and systematizing your multi-inspector firm. The big question for you is this: can my home inspection business run without me? The key to success is delegation. In the beginning, you're going to have to do everything, but you want to start standardizing and systematizing everything you do. When you get to that point, you can actually hire someone to do the work for you, and you become the manager. Remember changing your mind, thinking of yourself as a business owner who just happens to offer home inspections? Yep, that's how you grow your business. And the key question is, can my home inspection business run without me? Maybe you're not there yet. What systems, processes, procedures, and policies do you have in place so that you can repeat what you're doing by hiring and scaling up? That's the question. You have to systematize everything you do. You have to standardize things so that one of the worst mistakes that I made for a while was thinking that I was the only home inspector who could do in a business. That I was the only home inspector who can do an inspection for my business, that I had to do the inspections. And then when you get rid of that dumb idea, you realize that there are other home inspectors who are better than you, and they should be doing the work, and you should be managing them. So that's the main question to ask when growing and scaling your business. Can it run without me?